DNA is a nucleic acid, which is one of the macromolecules responsible for life. So other macromolecules you might already know, there's carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. Nucleic acids are the fourth type of macromolecules which are essential for life. So DNA itself, the structure of DNA consists of a sugar, a phosphate group, and nitrogen bases. So in the diagram here you can see this orange ring, which is the sugar. If you can look carefully, you can see this P here, and this is the phosphate group, and these in the middle are the nitrogen bases. So in DNA, the sugar is called deoxyribose. It's a 5-carbon sugar. It's attached onto this phosphate group here, and the phosphate has 4 oxygens attached to it, and then this basically forms the backbone of DNA. So it forms like one strand of DNA. And then you have this repeating pattern of the sugar and the phosphate groups, which basically forms like a backbone. And then you have the nitrogen bases here in the middle, and then you have another backbone of sugar and phosphate groups. So if you imagine like a ladder, it's kind of like both sides of the ladder. In the middle of the ladder is these steps, which is the nitrogen bases. So there's 2 nitrogen bases which are attached to each other. So if you can imagine, DNA is like a ladder, but it's twisted and rotated, so it's like a spiral. So DNA is known as a double helix structure.